Are discussing before this lecture uh, braking system, and we are discussing about hydraulic brakes, but in this slide we are discussing about disc brake. Basically, disc brake are the fluid from the master cylinder is forced into caliper where it's pressed against a piston as shown in diagrams. These are the arrangement of disc brake. Basically, disc brake and drum brake are the operated by the fluid. So here we are discussing about some elements which are used in disc brake. First of all, piston and brake pads and calipers and rotor, which rotor there attach the disc and hub and wheel attached here. So disc are attached with hub and this is movable, but this caliper's jaw is fixed with the our shocks absorber shock offs. Okay, these are the stationary and rotor are motion. Okay, and we are here, we try to stop this rotor with the help of brake pads. When brake pads are moved towards the disc with the help of piston, and this piston are running by the high pressure liquid when we applied the force. Okay, when we applied the force in brake pedal, this brake pedal are uh, move through the master cylinder with the and again capillary tubes. These capillary tubes are give the pressure towards the rotor of the brake pads, and when they are contact to each other, it's try to stop this rotor slowly when the friction is developed between them. Okay, so these points are discussed here. The piston in the turn squeezes two brake pad against the disc rotor, which is attached to the wheel, forcing it to slow down or stop. When applied the brake pedals force, these force are transmitted with the help of fluid and wheel piston to rotors, and it's stop. Basically, it is used to in cars, bikes, to stop the wheels. First, it may be front wheel or rear wheel. Some disadvantage and advantage are discussed here. Similarly to the bicycle brakes, where two rubber pads are run against the wheel rims, creating friction. These are the same thing. Here there rubber pads and here brake pads. Okay, to produce the friction. And next is drum brake. So here some elements are there, we are discussing one by one. First of all, drum, and inside it drum brake system. Next one is brake shoes and brake pads and pistons, that is called wheel piston, and brake cylinder and adjustment mechanism and returning spring and axle, that is called wheel axle. Okay, so these are the arrangements, and we are discussing how to work this drum brake. The drum brake has a metal brake drum that includes the brake assembly at each wheel. This figure is same in four wheels, and two curved brake shoes expand towards to slow or stop drum which rotates with the wheels. In this, drum are basically rotate similar RPM to wheels. Okay, and this half curvature form of brake swoosh are try to stop it with the help of force applying the towards outward direction to drum, and this drum and this shoe contact to each other slowly and try to stop the drum, and this drum are basically connected to wheel, so wheel is stopped. These are the function of the